Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix can't log in to Pinterest. So if you also want to fix can't log in to Pinterest, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if you're not being able to log into Pinterest, it might be because of your internet connection problem. So make sure to check the internet connection and make sure you're connected to the stable network. Sometimes you might not be able to log into Pinterest because your credentials are wrong. So make sure to enter the correct credentials. If you're still not being able to log into Pinterest, what you can do is try updating the application. All you have to do is open Play Store. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in Pinterest. You can see over here Pinterest application will appear. All you have to do is tap on it. Right over here, if you see the option for update, all you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated. After the application is updated, your problem should be fixed. But if the problem is still not fixed, try clearing the cache. All you have to do is go to settings. Find the option for storage. Tap on it. Find the option for apps. Tap on it. Now find the Pinterest application. Once you find the Pinterest application, tap on it. Now you can see over here the storage of Pinterest will be opened. So here you'll be able to see two options, clear storage, clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the clear cache option that you can see right over here. After that, the cache will be cleared. And after this, your problem should be fixed. If your problem still persists, what you can do is try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix can't log into Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.